Very good morning, children. Chapter 3, Safety and First Aid. So, yesterday we have learned about the safety, importance of safety. Now, we are going to learn about safety from fire. Fire, how can we protect ourselves from the fire? Okay, so safety from fire. If in our home, when in the kitchen area where the gas is there, when we play with the crackers, when we burn the candles and when we lighten the candles, so these are the items where we use the fire. These are the process where we use the fire. So it is important to protect ourselves from fire. Protection is very important while using the while doing the work in kitchen, while doing anything in the presence of fire. So importance of protection is very it is very important to protect ourselves whenever we are going to use, or whenever we are going to do any task in the presence of fire. Like the gas, you all know that we have a in the kitchen we have a gas cylinder, and it is a very dangerous thing. When it is controlled, it is okay, but when it is not under our control, it become very dangerous thing. So fire can be caused by the leakage of gas, electrical faults, and the careless handlings of candle, matchsticks, etc. So basically the leakage of gas, the gas leakage. So we should follow some safety rules to protect ourselves from the gas leakage, to protect ourselves from the electrical faults, to protect ourselves from the burning candles and matchsticks. So what are some safety rules? So let us begin the safety rules one by one. And how can we prevent ourselves? How can we stop the accidents? Accidents are what? The things which occurs at a sudden without any prior information. The bad thing. Accidents are basically bad things which do not give any information, which we don't know anything about the timing, about the place, about the situation whenever we met with the accident. So to avoid this accident, we have to follow some safety rules. So basically there are some safety rules, right? We should follow some safety rules, and these safety rules are: number 1, switch off the gas regulator when not in use. Whenever we are not using our gas in the kitchen, it is important to off the cylinder while from the regulator as well as from the gas knob. We have to off both the things. We have to off, sometimes we off the knob of the gas stove, but mostly we forget to off the gas regulator. So it is important to off the gas regulator also when it is not in use, or when we have used all the things, we have used the gas, then we must have to off the gas stove knob as well as the regulator of the cylinder. Now the next point is, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ कि जब भी कभी हम अपनी गैस का यूज़ कर चुके हों किचन में, तो हमें अपने गैस के स्टोव के नॉब को भी बंद करना है, और उसके साथ साथ अपने गैस के रेगुलेटर को भी ऑफ़ करना है. जो सिलेंडर के ऊपर एक रेगुलेटर होता है विच एक्चुअली ओपन्स और विच कैन ओपन और ऑफ. So we have to off the regulator also after the use of gas. Now the next point is, in case of a gas leakage, neither strike a matchstick nor operate any electrical switches. Means whenever you feel that there is a gas leakage, During the gas leakage, we feel some odor, bad odor of the gas, and whenever you identify that there is a gas leakage, immediately you have to off all the switches. Don't on the electrical switches, or don't operate any electrical switches. Do not operate any electrical switches, and not strike or not lit a matchstick also. हमें मैच स्टिक भी नहीं जलानी है, और अपने जो हमारी इलेक्ट्रिकल स्विचेस है उनको भी ऑफ करना है, उसको ऑन नहीं करना है. नो एनी इलेक्ट्रिकल स्विचेस विल बी ऑन. It should be in the off condition. Now, after this, open all doors. After the identification of the gas leakage, we have to do another important thing, that is, immediately we have to open all the doors and windows, so that the gas which is filled inside the rooms, it will immediately escape from the room. It will start escaping from the room. When we open the doors and windows, then gas is very movable thing. Gas is a movable thing, very fast. It moves very fastly and rapidly. So when we open the doors and windows of the home, the gas will start moving out of the home from the doors and windows. So this is a very important thing. So be careful whenever the gas leakage condition or situation is there. जब भी कभी गैस लीकेज की कंडीशन हो तो हमें अपने डोर्स और विंडोज़ को तुरंत खोल देने चाहिए घर के, और ना तो हमें कोई मैच स्टिक ऑन कर चलाना चाहिए, और ना ही हमें कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिकल स्विच ऑन करना चाहिए. देन नेक्स्ट इज रिप्लेस फॉल्टी गैस पाइप्स इमीडिएटली. In kitchen, mostly we will not pay, or mostly we will not pay attention. We don't pay attention towards the condition of the gas pipe. So this is very important thing, to check the gas pipe on a regular basis, and if there is any cut mark or if there is any cracks found on the gas pipe, immediately we must have to replace it, so that we will prevent ourselves from the fire accident. Okay, जब भी कभी गैस पाइप में कुछ क्रैक्स या फिर उसमें कट दिखाई पड़े तो हमें उसको तुरंत चेंज करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, चेक वायरिंग्स. इन आवर होम देयर आर वायरिंग्स, अ नेटवर्क ऑफ वायर्स are there in the home, and electrical appliances regularly. So we must have to be careful. We must have to check our wirings, all the wirings and all the electrical appliances on a regular basis, so that we can easily prevent or protect ourselves from any shocks or any short circuits. If you found any fault in the wirings or in any electrical appliances, immediately replace it or immediately repair it. So इसको आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा. आप अपने घर की वायरिंग्स और आप अपने इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस को रेगुलरली चेक करते रहना चाहिए हमें, जिससे कि उसमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, अगर कोई भी फॉल्ट पकड़ में आती है तो इमीडिएटली वी विल रिप्लेस इट. We have to call our electrician for repairing the wirings and for replacing the electrical appliances. Now, be careful while handling matchbox, candles, firecrackers, etc. These are very, very harmful, dangerous things. Sometimes we don't pay attention while lighting the matchbox, while lighting the matchsticks, while handling the candles, and children who love to play firecrackers, who want to burn the firecrackers. But be careful while you are performing these activities. While you are going to burn the firecrackers, means पटाखे जलाते समय हमें बहुत केयरफुल होने चाहिए. Be careful while burning the firecrackers. Be very careful whenever you are going to lit the matchbox, whenever you are going to lighten the candles also, जब कभी हम कैंडल जलाते हैं या मैच स्टिक्स को जलाते हैं तो we have to be very very careful, because if we are not paying attention, we will not be careful, then definitely we will move towards the accident. हम accidents की तरफ बढ़ रहे होते हैं अगर हम इन चीज़ों पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं तो. हम लोग को बहुत केयरफुल होना पड़ेगा जब कभी हम मैच स्टिक्स को जलाते हैं, हम कैंडल्स जलाने जाते हैं या फिर हम फायर क्रैकर्स बर्न करते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ do not wear synthetic clothes. Yes, of course, there is a relationship between the clothing, how our clothing is. If we are nowadays, everyone want to wear some shiny and attractive clothes, but they are very dangerous if we are around the fire, if we are in the presence of fire, we are doing any task in the kitchen, because these synthetic shiny clothes are made up of nylon material. These shiny clothes are made up of nylon material, which actually catches the fire very fastly and rapidly, so that it will be dangerous thing for everyone. So please, whenever you are going to cook anything in the kitchen, or you are operating the gas, or you are operating anything which is related to the fire, please try to wear cotton material, okay? Because the nylon cloths actually attracts or catches the fire fastly. हमें नायलॉन के क्लॉथ्स को नहीं पहनने चाहिए जब हम कभी फायर को हैंडल करते होते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज, इफ़ अ पर्सन्स क्लॉथ्स कैच फायर, ही और शी शुड बी रोल्ड ऑन टू द फ्लोर until the fire is out. मान लेते हैं किसी किसी के कपड़ों में आग लग गई. इन केस इफ एनी पर्सन got catch fire in her or his dresses, then what we should do, we should or he or she, that person should be rolled onto the फ्लोर. हम उसको तुरंत से उसके फ्लोर पे, ज़मीन पर उसको फ्लोर पे उसको रोल कर देंगे और उसको चारों तरफ से ब्लैंकेट से कवर कर देंगे. वी हैव टू कवर दैट पर्सन बाय द ब्लैंकेट सो दैट द फायर विल ईजिली गेट ऑफ. ओके, सो फॉर पुटिंग आउट द फायर, this task will definitely help if a person who having the fire on the cloth on the body, then we have to roll that person on the floor. हमें उसको तुरंत से फ्लोर पे रोल करना है तब तक जब तक कि उसकी बॉडी की फायर जो है वो ऑफ नहीं हो जाती. So we have to roll that person on the floor until and unless the fire is out, and that person's body have to cover with the blanket so that the fire will easily get off. So these are some safety rules which we have to follow, and if we will follow these safety rules, then we will easily protect ourselves from the fire. Even we will be in the surrounding, we will be in the presence of fire. So अगर हम अपने चारों तरफ फायर के प्रेजेंस में भी हैं, हमारे चारों तरफ कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जहाँ पे फायर है, तो भी हम अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट कर ले जाएंगे with the help of these safety rules. So children, these safety rules are very very important. Please read it and watch the video very carefully and try to follow these safety rules in your real life also. Thank you for watching the video.